Somewhere deep inside Jupiter and Saturn, the weather report isn't rain or snow. It's solid diamonds falling from the sky. And the science behind it is even wilder than it sounds. Fact 1. Carbon from methane. It all starts with methane, a gas packed with carbon and incredibly common in the atmospheres of Jupiter and Saturn. When powerful storms and lightning strike these clouds, they tear those methane molecules apart. What's left behind is pure carbon, the same element that makes up every diamond on Earth. Fact 2. Lightning does the work. Saturn's storms produce lightning bolts thousands of times more powerful than anything on Earth. These bolts blast methane apart and convert the carbon into soot, a fine sprinkling of black particles. That soot is the very first step in a journey that ends in glittering gemstones. Fact 3. Falling through pressure. As those soot particles drift downward, they fall into ever denser layers of the planet. The deeper they go, the more crushing the pressure becomes. This descent slowly squeezes loose carbon into tighter and tighter forms. Fact 4. Soot becomes graphite. After falling about 1,000 kilometers, the rising pressure compresses the soot into chunks of graphite, the same material in your pencil. It's a glorified middle stage, not yet a treasure. But the planet isn't finished with it. Fact 5. Crushed into diamond. Push that graphite deeper still, and the pressure reaches a staggering point where carbon atoms rearrange into a rigid crystal lattice. That's the exact recipe for a diamond. The planet essentially becomes a natural diamond factory operating on a planetary scale. Fact 6. Diamond hailstones. Scientists estimate these gems can grow up to about 1 centimeter wide, big enough to be a real chunk of jewelry. They tumble through the deep atmosphere like crystalline hailstones. Imagine a hailstorm where every piece is a polished gem. Fact 7. A tonne a year. Researchers have calculated that Saturn alone may produce around 1,000 tons of diamonds every single year. That's an absurd amount of treasure raining down constantly, far beyond all the diamonds mined in human history. And it's been happening for billions of years. Fact 8. The Molten Finale. The diamonds don't last forever in their solid form. Deep enough inside the planet, temperatures soar so high that the gems eventually melt into a liquid carbon sea. So the final destination is an ocean of molten diamond surrounding the planet's core. Fact 9. Not just these two. Jupiter and Saturn may be the headline acts, but they're not alone. Uranus and Neptune are also suspected of forging diamonds in their crushing interiors. Diamond rain might be one of the most common forms of weather in our entire solar system. Fact 10. We recreated it. This isn't just guesswork. Scientists have actually made diamond rain in the lab. Using high-powered lasers to slam plastic with shock waves, they mimicked the pressures inside these planets and watched tiny diamonds form. It confirmed that the wildest weather report in the solar system is real. So the next time you look up at those distant giants, remember they're quietly making more diamonds than Earth ever could. If you love space facts like this, hit subscribe. We drop a new one every single day.